Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen clearly. Today is 18th of August 2021. So I'd like us to start off our analysis with the Euro USD. So far yesterday we had an indicator which we followed when we were making our analysis. We said that the price was supposed to hit some levels. Let's see. Let me add it on my screen so that we start off with that one. Give me a second. There's a whole list here. Okay. So this is what we talked about yesterday. Give me a second, please. I'll be back immediately. Sorry. So you remember very well on this chart, these are the levels we had yesterday. On this chart, basically, we are looking at the levels which we're seeing marked green and yellow and red. So we had this here. This is a very good resistance level. We have another one here. This was support previously. Now it should be a very good resistance. Then you have another one just close to it. So these are like some two levels. Then we have another one here. Then you have another one here. So technically, we do expect price to continue down. We expect it to go down at least up to this point here, so that will give us a correct place to look for a buy from. If the price could come back down up to somewhere in between the two lower lines, then that will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. And if the price is to extend itself to the upper side, then we want to see some sell signals from within this range, this zone here. So if we see any sell signal here, we want to pick that sell. Our stop loss is fixed above this level here, and our take profit is at 1.19, 1.17082. Now the other symbol which I want us to have a look at is GBPUSD. So the British pound dollar, this is bearish. We have an active downtrend. If you add any indicator just other than the one which you are looking at, you will see that the trend is to the lower side. We look at these levels. We have the first zone, which is this one here. This zone, the one at the very top, and then you have another one here. Have another one here, and then we have another one here. Then you have another one at the bottom. So if the price hits any of these levels, especially the one which we have in the middle, this one, then this will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So basically we are bearish, but we are likely to see some pullback, at least up to somewhere in between 1.32, 1.32961, 1.37902. So if the price comes back up to this point here, then this will be the correct place you want to look for a sell from. Your stop loss is above this resistance level, and your take profit is at this point here, 1.37158. The other symbol is the US dollar, Japanese yen. So this one also we do have good levels where we expect price to be bouncing off from. We do have a level here. This is a very good resistance level. We do have a level here. and we do have a level here, and then we also have another level here, then we have this one here. So if the price bounces off from any of these levels, if the price heads up but does not go beyond this level, then this will be a good place to sell from. If the price continues down up to this point, then this may be a good place to buy from, unless the price breaks and closes below it. So as it is now, we do expect price to extend itself downwards towards this point, where if it goes below, then the next level is this one here. The other symbol is the SP500. So the SP500, so far we are in an uptrend, despite the fact the price went down earlier this week. This was on Tuesday, yesterday. The price went down massively. So this does not mean that we are downwards. This chart is basically just pulling back. If you check the higher time frame, maybe the daily chart or the weekly chart, you can see that the price is very much to the upper side. You can check that here. You can see that the price is very much to the upper side. So despite the pullback which we had yesterday and the day before yesterday, we are still buyers. We want to see price break beyond this high. If the price can go and ascend and close above 4482.8, then this will mean somehow we are continuing to the upper side. So we are supposed to wait for some pullback after the breakout so that we can continue to the upper side. On the lower side, we do have a support here, a good place to buy from. We have another one here, and we have another one here. So somehow these are the places where if the price can go up to, then we will be looking for a trade. So any pullback to any of these levels will attract a good buy position. If it gets to this point, we'll buy it. If it comes to this point, we'll buy it. If it gets to this point, we'll still buy it. And if the price comes back up to this point, then we'll still buy it. The other symbol is gold. So gold so far, it looks like the price is bullish, but I'd like to say that this is a sell place where the price is now. It's a very good place to look for sell from. If you leave the indicator outside for temporarily, you can see that we have a very good support level here from around 1795.13. This here is a very good support, and we have a resistance here, have a resistance there, and we have a good support here. So if the price comes to this point but does not clearly ascend and close beyond it, then this will give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So we want to see price sell off from this level here up to 1721.48. In case the price breaks above, then the next level is 1831.83. Does that make sense, whatever I'm saying? Does it make sense, whatever I'm saying? Okay. So the other symbol which I want us to look at, look for Brent oil. So the Brent oil so far, we do have a level here. These are our most significant levels. We have like a support here. So the best one, the one which I can see, despite the fact that we do have some levels here in between, there is a very good support here. This is a very good level where the price may likely come back up to in the near future. We also have a level here. We also have a level here. And then you have a level here. And then you have a level here. So these are some of the places where if the price can get to, then we're going to be interested in a trade. So we are basically watching for price to get to any of these levels. If it comes to this level 66.8, sorry, 66.981. We'll be looking for a buy. If the price comes here, we'll be looking for a buy. If the price gets to the bottom, then we are interested in maybe a breakout. If that happens, then that means you're continuing downwards. But if the price pulls back up to this level here, then this may be a good place to look for a sell from. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.